If you're looking for a master plan golf community in the Southeast Valley, look no further than guard-gated Superstition Mountain in beautiful Gold Canyon, Arizona. Hi, I'm Elaine Boylin with Elpis Real Estate Boutique. Welcome to 8736 East Quartz Mountain Drive. This custom home has it all. 3,900 square feet in the main house. Yes, I said main house because this home has a 500 square foot casita, 4 bedrooms, plus an office and 4.5 bathrooms. Enter to 12-foot ceilings and beautiful walls of glass that highlight the Superstition Mountains. Like to cook? This kitchen is a chef's dream with quartz and porcelain countertops, professional-grade stainless appliances, built-in fridge, and a gas range. Oh, and plenty of storage. This home was made for entertaining with its wine wall, pub, multiple gathering areas, and almost 1,200 square feet of covered patio space. The split floor plan guarantees privacy with the owner's suite on one side and the remaining bedrooms on the other. Speaking of the owner's suite, it's absolutely beautiful with mountain views and a spa-like bath with soaking tub, glass shower, and huge walk-in closet. But we saved the best for last. Exit through the 15-foot sliding glass doors to the heated saltwater pool and spa, fireplace, outdoor kitchen with 2 grills, outdoor patio, and gorgeous view deck. And all of this is situated on an acre with views of the 11th green of Lost Gold and mountain views. If you like the video, then you're really gonna love this home in person. Call me, Elaine Boylin, 480-536-9907.